fingers hovering over that buy button because the necklace in the photo looks like $1,000,000 for the price of a sandwich. We have all been there. You see a sleek website with minimalist fonts and high-resolution photos that make you feel like you are getting an exclusive deal. This specific jewelry shop is playing that exact game. On the surface, everything looks professional and polished. But once you pull back the curtain, the internal gears are grinding. This is not a situation where I can say it is a confirmed criminal operation, but it sits right in that dangerous gray area. People are reporting the same story over and over again. They wait weeks for a package. They track it across the globe. Then when it finally arrives, it looks like something you would find at the bottom of a cheap toy bin. The metal is thin. The stones are dull. It is a classic case of the marketing department being way more talented than the manufacturing team. If you dig into the background of this site, you see the hallmark signs of a pop-up operation. The domain registration is fresh. The trust scores are hitting rock bottom. It does not have the footprint of a brand that plans to be around for a decade. It feels more like a sprint to move as much inventory as possible before the negative reviews catch up. You might think you are saving $50 on a birthday gift. In reality, you are buying a month of stress. You will be sending emails to a support desk that might not exist. You will be arguing with your bank about a chargeback. The frustration of a lost package or a plastic-looking ring is not worth the discount. These shops rely on the fact that we want luxury for a bargain. They use those clean layouts to trick our brains into thinking they are high-end boutiques. But a real brand has a history. It has a physical address that is not a random warehouse. It has a customer service line where a human actually picks up the phone. This site is currently failing all those basic vibe checks. If you see their ads popping up in your feed, just keep scrolling. There are plenty of established places that actually stand behind their craftsmanship. Do not let a pretty photo lead you into a customer service nightmare. It is better to pay a bit more for something that will not turn your skin green or disappear in the mail. The internet is full of these flash-in-the-pan stores that vanish as soon as the heat gets too high. Save your money and your sanity for a shop that has actually earned its reputation through years of good service rather than just a month of clever ad spending. Every red flag is waving right now. The shipping delays alone are a massive warning. Some people never even get their orders. They are left shouting into the void of an unmonitored inbox. That is a terrible feeling when you have spent your hard-earned cash. When you see an ad that looks too polished for the price point, trust your gut. The gloss on the website is just a digital coat of paint. It hides a chaotic shipping process and a product that lacks any real substance. Real silver and gold do not come at these basement-level prices without a catch. The catch here is your time and your peace of mind. Walk away and find a jeweler that actually cares about your experience after the credit card is swiped.